Fuck, man. Fucking Matthew, what? Didn't you fucking read the address right? We're fucking lost, dude. We're in the middle of nowhere.
I don't know, dude. Just fucking... Come on here. You said we were by the cemetery.
Lynn Grove Cemetery, yeah, exactly. Go left. Left.
No, I think it's this way.
Nah, dude. Bro, the houses are over there. What makes you think he's gonna be over here?
We're actually out in the middle of the fucking road. Cars here, but shit.
Oh my god, you think we should like ask for help or something? No? Oh shit. Got my flashlight.
Oh, look at, there's a raccoon. There is a raccoon.
Oh shit, dude.
That fucker probably left his lights on. Isn't it the house over there?
In the middle of nowhere? Matthew lives in the middle of nowhere?
Oh no.
I've never actually been to Matthew's house.
Look over there. Yeah, all over there. Check it out. Fuck.
Oh shit.
Dude, how are we gonna get in there?
I don't know. Are we able to? What the hell, dude?
No.
What the fuck, dude? Are you sure this is where Matthew's at? I mean, I saw that light too, but I don't know what you mean. Dude, this is literally in the middle of nowhere. I got no service, dude. Alright, let's go. I got the flashlight. Jeez, dude. Where's DPG Farms? No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. Are you sure this is where Matthew lives, man?
Turn the light over there. That's his fucking house over there.
That house is pretty fucking far.
I think there's like a fucking monster or something. He ran over there. What's the light over there? What?
Are you sure this is where Matthew lives?
No.
What?
Maybe that fucking just kind of scared us.
Probably pulling some fucking strings. All boarded up and shit, dude. Fuck's in here, dude. Dude. Fuck, dude. Matthew! What the fuck, dude? This shit is basically abandoned.
You see that light?
Bro, if you want, dude, I'm gonna fucking wait in the car.
Matthew.
I don't know why you fucking brought us here.
Hold on. Maybe he's in the room.
Fuck. It's a fucking abandoned action, dude. Shit. Fuck. Bro, I don't know what you fucking brought us here, dude. What the fuck? Can you read directions?
Hey, fuck off. You can fucking read a fucking map.
Who uses maps nowadays? Fuck.
That fucking dipshit fucking wrote me a fucking letter.
Oh my
He's a
god,
fucking
bro. He's fucking stupid, dude.
I'm gonna fucking do that. Hold on.
Fuck, dude. In here? Christ, man. Is this fucking back here, dude?
His backyard?
Fucking. Oh, this is bullshit, dude.
Maybe they're having some kind of surprise party out in the pasture.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna go fucking to the car, dude.
Okay,
You can fucking look from here, dude. You brought us here. You're gonna go without the light?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the fucking car. Me and my fucking cousin are going to the car. You're the one who fucking brought us here. Can't read directions.
Okay, take your fucking light and go sit in the fucking car like a little girl.
Go.
That fucker's just fucking with us. Yo, why would he take us to his house? This is where he would be. I think we're probably early, actually.
Early?
What time is it? You know, you haven't. Is your phone working?
I don't know. I fucking left the phone in the car.
Okay. Fucking.
If you fucking find it, just yell, dude. I'm just gonna wait by the car.
Maybe he's behind the door. Matthew. No. Alright, go fuck off.
What do you think, dude? Fucking, you're all dressed up for Halloween. I'm not even dressed up. My fucking costume's in the car. Fuck, dude. At least we'll fucking just stay in here and stay at home or something. Ah, shit, dude. This dipshit left his fucking keys in the car.
Oh god.
Oh my god, dude. I guess we'll just wait here and just see what happens. I just leave the camera there, dude. We're just fucking too busy looking for this dipshit. Let's go fucking look for him.
What the fuck?
I'll just be back.
Alright. Shit, bro. What a piece of shit.
Hey!
Shit! Fucking.
Dude, I'm too scared to go. I'm too scared to go inside, dude. Let's just do this together, dude.
Oh, okay, but don't fucking scare me like that.
My bad, dude. I just fucking want to go inside, dude.
Okay. Nevin! Nevin!
Nevin!
Nevin! Nevin! Where is him?
Nevin!
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's fucking get out of here! Oh shit! Oh my god! Run! Run! You fucking run, man! Oh shit! Oh my god! Shit! No! Oh shit! No! No! Shit! Fuck! Shit! Fuck! 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 Shit! Oh! Shit! Fuck! No!